Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Zalando application. That's the mobile application on your phone. Okay, so do not be surprised that we're using this on the system, but then just go ahead and head over to your phone and we're going to show you how exactly to get this done. So first it's first, you need to get the Zalando application, and of course, how do you do that? Head over to your phone and of course, you can use your App Store or your Google Play Store. So let's say we're using Google Play Store, head over to the search bar. In the search bar, type Zalando, and that's gonna give you, or it's gonna show you a prompt where you need to install. Click on the install button. So once you click on the install button, then you'll be able to download and install the application. Once the installation process is successful, it's going to take you right into the application, and then just follow through with the process to sign up if you have not signed up, or just enter in your existing details. And then once you're done, it's going to take you to an application, or it's going to take you to a home page rather, that looks like this, which is the Zalando homepage. So as you can see this image, you see right here, you have the home button, you have this heart icon, you have the search, you have the bag, and you have the profile icon. So Zalando would have changed its user interface, so you might not see these icons at the bottom corner. You now see them at the top corner of the screen. Whatever, so the same thing, they all perform the same function. So I'm just going to walk you through what each icon represents and whatever you can use them for. So the first icon, which is the home icon, it's actually here. This is the home icon. This is where exactly you can select any product that you want, select the product category, men, women, kids, and then find exactly what you want. Or you can use the search bar, which is at the top corner. Just click on this magnifying lens and select what you are looking for exactly. And so right here, you can proceed to checkout and make payments. Just click on the product, add to bag. And once you click on add to bag, then it's going to take you to the payments window, and you can now go ahead and pay. So right here in this hat icon right here, this is your wish list. All right, so this is where all your saved items are stored. So it means once you're looking for a particular product and then you see one product that catches your fancy but you don't want to pay for it at that moment, you can just go ahead and click on the hat icon that is close to the product, and just like this picture right here, so this is the product, and then you have the hat icon. It's really close to every product. So just click on the hat icon, and once you click on the hat icon, it's going to be saved here. That is where you can find all of your saved items. And then this is the magnifying lens. This is where you can search for anything that you're looking for, search for any product. And then here's the bag, which is also known as the hmm, what do they call that now in so okay, so this is oh, cart. Yes, please. All right, so this is the cart. Okay, I don't know, that almost skipped my mind. But then in Zalando, so of course now use the Zalando terms. All right, so Zalando calls it bag. So this is the bag, this is the cart. So just what the cart performs. All right, so that's what this bag performs. So this is where you can have all the products that you want to order. All right, so all of the orders, all right, all the product that you want to order that you added to the bag is here. So you can easily head over to the payments page and check out using the bag. All right, so save to the, of course, try to save to the bag, because when you try to make payment or try to place an order, they're going to tell you add to bag when you click on the product. So once you click on add to bag, they're all going to be saved right here in this bag. So you can come again if you did not succeed with your order. You can just easily come to this bag and then proceed to check out easily. And then here where you have this human figure as an icon, so just click on that. That's going to take you to your personalized settings, your account settings, and everything that you have to do to just customize this your account to make it really sweet and nice. So this is exactly what you can do, or how you can use Zalando application on your mobile phone. Now you can go over to the tab and tap the button to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.